Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to hide last seen active online on Instagram. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram application, you will simply go to your profile. At the top corner, there are three horizontal lines. You will simply tap on three lines. After it, you will simply tap on settings. So here you will tap on the fourth option, which is privacy. So here you will scroll down and here is the activity status. You will simply tap on it and here is the activity status is turned off. So here you can easily turn it off or turn it on by tapping on it. So this show activity status allows accounts you follow and anyone you message to see you were last active or currently active on Instagram apps. So this is the simple process of turning off the active status or the online status on Instagram. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.